I've not sung this one song, and I completely forgot about it until maybe like 2 months ago. And it was a full circle moment for me because I wrote it when I was really depressed, and I'm not depressed anymore. It's really nice. I know, right? And it's just I don't know. I want to honor the song still. My blood means what you clear. There's no substance.